Do you need homeowners insurance if you buy a home through owner financing in Texas? Yes, and in this video we'll explain exactly why, so it never feels like a surprise. By the end, you'll understand insurance the same way you'd understand any other normal part of owning a financed home. First, here's a key point many buyers don't realize. Anytime a property is financed, the party carrying the note needs the home protected, because the house itself is the collateral. That's true with a bank mortgage, and it's true here too. Homeowners insurance isn't a hidden catch. It protects two things at once: the investor's stake in the home and your equity, which starts building from day one. So why does this requirement sometimes feel suspicious to buyers? When you've been turned down by banks before, or you're new to how financed homeownership works, every requirement can start to feel like it's hiding something. Without a clear explanation, insurance can look like an unexpected cost added at the last minute, instead of a standard part of any financed purchase. None of that confusion means anything is wrong. It just means nobody walked through the full picture in advance. That leaves buyers in two very different positions. Go into closing without understanding every cost involved and risk feeling blindsided. Or know exactly what to expect ahead of time, so nothing at closing catches you off guard. Let's look at what that full picture actually includes. In third-party owner financing, this mirrors a traditional mortgage exactly. You hold the deed and carry the homeowner's policy as the owner. The investor who financed the home to you is typically named on the policy as the party with a financial interest, the same way a bank would be on a conventional loan. You pay the premium, just like any financed homeowner would. The policy itself typically covers the structure against fire, storms, and other covered events. Your personal belongings inside the home, liability if someone is injured on the property, and additional living costs if a covered event makes the home temporarily unlivable. In Texas specifically, depending on where the home is located, you may also want to look at windstorm, hail, or flood coverage, which is worth a direct conversation with an insurance agent about that specific property and region. Insurance is simply one cost to plan for alongside your down payment and closing costs, not a surprise sprung on you afterward. This is where TL Global comes in. TL Global is a training company. It is not an insurer and doesn't quote insurance figures. It walks you through the full picture of what to expect at and after closing, so nothing catches you off guard. And it has done so for Texas families since 2009. Insurance is simply part of being a real owner, which is exactly what this program makes you. If you want a clear walkthrough of every cost involved before you commit to anything, the next step is a free consultation. No pressure, just the full picture up front.